Good Monday morning. Time for another country song, and I heard a song years ago by Jimmy Reeves, and I just heard it again recently, and I never thought much about it before, but it really impressed me this time. It's called The Blizzard. I hope y'all enjoy it. There's a blizzard coming on. How I'm wishing I was home. For my ponies are lame and he can hardly stand. Listen to that norther sigh. If we don't get home, we'll die. But it's only 7 miles to Marianne. Oh, it's only 7 miles to Marianne. You can bet we're on her mind, for it's nearly supper time. And I'll bet there's hot biscuits in the pan. Lord, my hands feel like they're froze, and there's a numbness in my toes. But it's only 5 more miles to Marianne. Yes, it's only 5 more miles to Marianne. The wind's howling and it seems mighty like a woman's scream, and we best be moving faster if we can. Can't think about that barn with the hay so soft and warm. For it's only 3 more miles to Marianne. Yeah, it's only 3 more miles to Marianne. Dan, get up, you ornery cuss, or you'll be the death of us. I'm so weary, but I'll help you if I can. All right, Dan, perhaps it's best if we stop a while and rest, for it's only 100 yards to Marianne. Yes, it's still 100 yards to Marianne. Late that night the storm was gone, and they found him there at dawn. He would have made it, but he just couldn't leave old Dan. Yes, they found him there on the plains, hands frozen to the rain. He was just 100 yards from Marianne. He was just 100 yards from Marianne. Oh, he was just 100 yards to Marianne.